harsh memories of summer are getting washed out. New life has started pouring out. Everything in this part of the world is turning beautiful, perhaps breathtaking. Yes, the monsoon has arrived in the Sahyadri Hills. And today we are going to explore the winding routes of Sahyadri, that too with the Mahindra XUV700.
A journey is not just about going from point A to point B. It's about creating memories with your loved ones, making the journey special. And today we are going to embark on one such special journey to join the big league. And what better way to do it with the magnificent Mahindra XUV700. My name is Tirth. Welcome to Motoring World. Let's get started. Why we have chosen the XUV700 for this journey is because Mahindra is celebrating the 3rd anniversary, and with more than 2 lakhs units produced, this is an amazing achievement for any manufacturer. To celebrate this occasion, Mahindra has announced a very special pricing for the XUV700 lineup. This means that the AX7 is now available for a very lucrative price of Rs 19.49 lakhs ex-showroom.
Whenever I arrive at the Western Ghats, these breathtaking peaks of Sahyadri have always inspired me and pushed me to achieve new milestones like this fantastic XUV700. Let us get into the XUV700. Just look at this fantastic dual 26.03cm HD super screen. This certainly gives a futuristic look to the car and interiors. But that is not all. We have 6-way power seat with memory functions, personalized safety alert, ventilated seats and the panoramic sky view. With all these features, the interior of the XUV700 feels like the place one would love to be in. These routes of the Western Ghat are enough to ignite the idea of testing the absolute limits of this car. So let's see what the XUV700 has to offer to the enthusiast inside me. The car is so nimble, agile and always on the toes to flaunt its aggressive nature, capable of pulling off any maneuver with ease. The XUV700 is powered by the 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine, which is mated to a 6-speed automatic torque converter, is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. Driving the XUV700 is thrilling, and with its impeccable handling, I felt I was never going to get out of the driver's seat.
A vehicle is not just about comfort or convenience. Safety is also paramount.
And the XUV700 takes a big leap forward in safety aspects. With 5-star global NCAP rating, it is one of the most safest cars in India. Features like Level 2 ADAS with adaptive cruise control, continuous digital video recording and driver drowsiness alert double down the safety of your loved ones.
On our monsoon escapade to the Sahyadri Hills of Maharashtra, the Mahindra XUV700 has proved to be the perfect companion on this journey, keeping us safe and sound from the outside environment thanks to its comfort, convenience, safety as well as the sci-fi tech features it offers, making it a great value for money package. And now with the lucrative pricing of Rs 19.49 lakhs ex-showroom for the AX7 variant, this is your invitation to join the big league. Oh, you guys are still here. I thought you guys might be on your way to the Mahindra dealerships. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. My name is Tirth. You are watching Motoring World. Take care, drive safe, bye-bye, thank you and don't forget to subscribe to Motoring World and follow us on Instagram.